Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is on the verge of a massive move. Find out why it's going to disappoint most people. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin on the verge of a massive move and why most people will be disappointed. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 50, dead neutral, down from 52 yesterday and 55 last week. The overall market exactly sideways. Boring, right? Bitcoin at 29,409, Ethereum at 1866, BNB at 243, XRP 70 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Cardano 31 cents, Solana $24, and Tron 7 cents. And if you want to do top coins based on AI today, they would be World State Coin, Referium, Axelar, Hunt, and XCAD Network. And you can try out Token Metrics for free. There is a link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin breaking through the bottom of the 50-day moving average right here. This could potentially turn bad as Bitcoin price could drop to this 6+ month long support line or even the 100-day moving average here in green right now at $28,500. We'll have to see how this turns out. Now, despite Bitcoin moving sideways for over a month right now, if we put things in perspective, like take a look at Bitcoin compared with traditional assets like bonds, gold, S&P 500, US dollar, and commodities, I would say so far Bitcoin is doing pretty good. Right now, Bitcoin is fighting for critical levels. The most important level in the last 2.5 years. It was support back here in 2021. It was broken support in 2022. Resistance in 2023. Broke through above. Now aiming to find support there. If and when we do find support at these levels, guess what? Bitcoin will never see $30,000 again. Why? Well, we have some pretty bullish charts coming up for Bitcoin. This might disappoint a lot of people who are looking for a downside, but they just might not see it, especially when we take a look at all of these charts, plus potential spot Bitcoin ETFs gaining approval in the next few months to years. So what are these things? Well, first, we have a bullish engulfing candle on the 6th month. The last time we had this pattern was right before Bitcoin went up significantly, almost 10x right there. Also back here when Bitcoin did almost 100x. So could we see some gains for Bitcoin? Yeah, absolutely. Also this chart, which has never been wrong, when Bitcoin crosses above this moving average right here on a monthly close every single time, was a massive bull run. Afterwards, guess what? We just closed above there. That's amazing. Could be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Similar pattern to previously when we break back above the Bollinger Band's midline right here, and then we take a look at the compression of the Bollinger Band's width, guess what? Signaling big runs coming. All of these charts, when every single chart is pointing at the same thing, there's a good chance, despite what the downers may think, that the charts will be right. For the first time ever, the monthly Bitcoin money flow has made two pivots on the bottom, a double bottom on the money flow index. Historically, the single bottoms have marked the bottom. This could be an even bigger bottom for Bitcoin. What this even means is that now we have had another chance to get Bitcoin at decent prices while it has gone sideways. These bottoms happen before we see massive bullish peaks, which would be the likely next move for Bitcoin. Why? Well, we have a breakout of Litecoin, which tends to lead Bitcoin. Why? I speculate because Litecoin's halving is about a year before Bitcoin's halving. But you may have heard that Litecoin is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. Most definitely true, especially when you look at breakouts of Litecoin's downtrends. This has just happened and only spells out amazing things for Bitcoin's future. So check this out. We have a downtrend. Litecoin breaks the downtrend. Guess what? That's the beginning of a massive bull run for Bitcoin. Then again here, we have breakouts of downtrends twice. Well, that's the first one and that's the second run for Bitcoin. Guess what? Look at this. Another breakout for Litecoin would likely mean another parabola for Bitcoin coming soon, especially when you combine it with this, which has picked out every parabola and it did not call that 2019 mid-cycle because it had a cross failure down here. These are the Bitcoin Fisher power runs. When Bitcoin crosses this power run threshold line, that is bull run territory. And guess what Bitcoin just did? Yes, just crossed that 3-week Fisher transform once again, suggesting we are in for bull run territory. As a matter of fact, the channel we are in right now, we are towards the bottom of the channel, just had a MACD bullish crossover, and the top of this channel is roughly $200,000 for this cycle bull run, which could be spectacular. And if that's not enough for you, let's say that Bitcoin, I know, diminishing returns for Bitcoin each halving, but let's say it's not, okay? Well, if it wasn't, we would have somewhere between $300,000, $2 million, or over $8 million per Bitcoin. So that's what I'm excited about, but I don't know about you. Anyways, that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.